It is a fact that the considerable lowering of the central bank rate, currently at 9.5%, has not been met by the same vigour with the lowering of commercial bank lending rates. And now, with more pressure on available credits from bigger borrowers, including government, businesses, especially SMEs, are being urged to explore other options to finance their growth.
Group saving. They treat it as if it is the destination. It's wrong. It's wrong again. Let it be the hatching ground for people who start from a saving group approach and they move on to microfinance, they move on to a circle setting, they go to a bank and start borrowing at 30%. Why? They have been selling their cows and depositing money and withdrawing. Every month somebody is showing transaction of having sold 10 bulls and he took the money to the bank. He withdrew again. He took the money to the bank. By the time you do those transactions 7, 8 times, the bank will be asking you questions. Mr. Chichi, we have seen you depositing every month 10 million, and then you withdraw. Then again you deposit 10 million, then again you withdraw. What business are you in? Can we lend you money?
This, however, is only possible through adherence to sound business practice and a general culture of good governance and structured business operations.
Livelihoods, incomes in the households to get in there. Now, NUSAF 3 does not desire that should take as a one-off thing, as if you are doing an emergency case, as if you are dealing with people who have just had a landslide. Landslide people want to be given opportunity to survive for the next 90 days as they transition to a stable environment. You are getting these people in their own stable environments, but they have got no income. What does it take to make them to start earning income in a stable, sustainable way? So NUSAF 3 is saying, we have built roads. Roads don't make a person rich. We have given you electricity. Electricity must be paid for. But even if you pay for it or somebody pays for it for you, it doesn't make you rich. Bridges are good. Schools are good. Hospitals are good. But what are you doing with your good health and with your good roads?
The message came up during the NUSAF activities in Teso sub-region, where effort is being done to support households with income-generating skills through inculcating a business mind.
At the moment, we have already 1,600 groups in Teso. Today, we have about 1,200 that have benefited. Those are household representatives. So, if you look at the benefit, the broader benefits at household levels, we are talking of about 21,000 people benefiting from the investments that have been released in Teso sub-region.
This is part of the wider effort to rehabilitate war-affected areas, but also arrest the country's huge growth descent that has seen the annual economic growth almost halve to 3.9% over the past 10 years, casting a dark veil at the country's 2020 middle income dream.